Okay, let's get back going. The wind's coming right at us. Perfect.
Throttle active. Middle rate. High rates.
Okay, taking off to the left. It's up pretty quick. No flaps. Say hello to Paul. Hey, Paul. Huh?
How many damn batteries did you have?
8. Remember, it was meant for that MiG-29.
Oh, that's 2 apiece.
2 per pack, yeah.
Yeah, so 4 flights.
Yep.
6 flights, 7 flights.
Yep, so this is gonna be 8, basically. Got 8 packs for 4 flights.
Does that run, are those batteries high C or are they 30 Cs?
No, they're, what are they? They're right there. I think they're 40.
40 is okay.
Those 5,000s.
The 2 6L 8000s I have, I think, are only 30 Cs.
Got you.
I'm wondering if I'd be able to even use those.
You said 8,000s?
Yeah, they're 8000s that I use in the P47.
Oh, they're huge.
Yeah, they're big.
I don't know if that will be able, if this one will be able to take that.
I'm hoping if I get another 6L plane that I can get away with using those 2 a little bit.
Got
Or
you.
have to buy another hundreds of dollar batteries.
Yeah.
Damn things are expensive.
Yeah, like I said, this one usually flies on the 6,000.
Right. Tearing up shit, Paul? Yeah, you need to gas it broke. That's alright, it's old.
Whoa.
Oh, you almost hit the glider.
Whoa, close. I didn't see, my bad. I don't know who that was.
You need to reinforce your nose and leading edge of your wings and shit with some carbon fiber so you can drive through some. Guys get in your way, you just drive right through them. That's a good flying plane now. And even after that crash, he's still good to go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty resilient, man. I'm surprised.
The crash looked worse than what it actually was, I guess.
I've been wondering about everybody else's. I'm real familiar with Horizon Hobbies foam these days, how durable it is, and that's one of the things that concerns me looking at other brands is how their foam compares and its resiliency and durability and whatnot.
Got you.
But it seems to be a lot tougher.
With the EDS, I don't know. Well, I just have Freewing.
Right.
That's funny.
The main other brand besides Horizon I've been looking at is Freewing plane.
Yeah, like my props are all FMS.
Right.
Except the one E-Flight Extra 300. But every other one's an FMS model.
Low battery.
That's a very nice plane.
Minutes and 52
Except the
seconds.
landings with those narrow wings. She definitely likes to wobble those wings.
Yeah, no, I say I think that's more for the weight because it doesn't. It's a lot easier to land.
With bigger batteries.
Yeah, the heavier. Yeah, I got a feeling it has to do with how light it's flying.
It does seem pretty floaty for a jet. I'm surprised like that. It glides pretty well.
Oh yeah.
That's a pretty narrow wing. It's like what, 30 some inches or 40 inches wide.
I don't know what the wingspan
It's pretty
is,
narrow.
but yeah,
Close to a Delta wing jet. And it practically is, considering the body is some of the flight surface. Part of what makes them stealthy, I suppose. F-35, that's the current one.
F-35 is the single engine one.
That's the one we're currently flying, because the Raptors are almost retired.
Are they?
I mean, they're still flying some of them, but I don't think they make it anymore.
Oh, yeah. The
I think
F-22.
it's the F-35.
The multi-role.
Yeah, and it's got all the different configurations. That's our main plane now, as far as production. Even though it doesn't compare to the Raptor
Low
still.
battery.
Last I heard, the Raptor still eats it in dogfights, the few that they've done.
Yeah, the F-22.
Yeah, the Raptor was probably the pinnacle, I think, so far of our jet building. After the F-15,
Well, actually,
F-15 and F-14, I think the Raptor is probably the best.
production. But what I heard though was actually The Raptors competition, at that time, I believe it was the F-23.
Yeah.
Actually outperformed the F-22, but the F-22 got selected though.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
Did not know that.
Yeah, the F-23.
You know, one of the other things it doesn't hold is a lot of armament. It's not as big. It's a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
It's hard to hold a lot of armament in these stealth planes anyways, with everything having to be tucked inside.
Yeah.
mechanically.
21.5
Yeah, it has to go internal.
Exactly. It's all very cool, but it adds complexity and money and limits how much they can carry.
low
You
battery.
know, F-16s and F-15s carry a shitload of stuff in the wings.
Yeah.
And these don't carry, but I think a quarter of the amount of armaments.
Low
I
battery.
think like 6 or something.
There's only so much room in there to shove
Low
missiles in the body.
Gear down.
I'll be landing from the left, right, setting up to land. I don't think I'm going
Wind's
flaps.
kind of behind us again,
Low
so we
battery.
can have more crosswind. Glad I packed up with
Low battery. Flaps 1.
Just floats.
Yeah, looking good. Gentle. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, I hate those bounces.
Yeah. That's much better.
Taxiing off.
That's much better than the last.
Low battery.
Just try and get a
Low
little lower
battery.
on your approaches so she doesn't run out as far.
Yeah.
This was better this
Low
time in the
battery.
other direction that you had you come all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Takes some getting
Low
used
battery.
to. That's why I fly low a lot over the deck to get used to doing that.
Low battery.
I spent a lot of time in the beginning of my
Timer
flying
1
career
up.
just doing landings.
Low battery.
Oh, my nose is about to fall off.
Yeah, see, it wasn't my imagination.
Ha ha ha.
God, it's bouncing. And one of the bounces, it just popped it back in. What happened?
Low battery. Low battery.
Look at that.
Danger. Low battery.
There you go.
He's got a
That works.
Concord envy.
Danger.
He wants
Low
that
battery.
bent nose
Middle
like
rate.
Concord.
Low rate. Flaps 10.